everyone. So today I will be explaining you the summary of The Beloved. Beloved is a novel by American writer Toni Morrison and it was published in 1987. So it was set after the American Civil War, that is between 1861 to 1865. So this novel is based on a true story, or we can say that it is inspired by the life of an African American slave, Margaret Garner, who escaped slavery. When captured, she killed her young daughter to prevent her return to slavery. So the novel won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1988. Set in Ohio at a family house called 124. And before beginning the summary of the novel, let us see the major characters so it will be easier for you to understand the story. So the first character is Sithe. She is the protagonist of the novel. She is an African. She is an escaped slave from a plantation called Sweet Home. So she married a slave, Hele, at Sweet Home. So Hele works at a Sweet Home, so they married and she is a mother of 4 children, 2 sons and 2 daughters. So before the beginning of the novel, she killed her own 2-year-old daughter when her former master, whose name is school teacher, comes to take her and her children back to work as slave. So she has 2 other sons called Howard and Bulger. So they are Sithe's son. When school teacher comes to recapture Sithe and her children, she tries to kill them along with her baby daughter, but is able to kill only the daughter. So by the beginning of the novel, they have run away from 124. The name of the house is 124 and are absent for the entire story. So, and her 4th child is Denver. She is Sithe's youngest child. And and Baby Sucks is her mother-in-law. So Baby Sucks is the mother of Hele, her husband. And another character is Emmy Denver. Emmy Denver is a white woman. She helps Sithe give birth to Denver and she names Denver after her. So Mr. and Mrs. Garner, so they are the original owners of Sweet Home. The Garners are relatively kind slaves owner compared to school teacher. So the character is school teacher. School teacher manages the plantation Sweet Home with his 2 nephews after the death of Mr. Garner. So he's extremely cruel. Not only does he beat and abuse his slaves, but he also takes notes on them and measures and studies them like an animal. So for him, slaves are just like an animal. Another character is Paul D. Paul D was a slave at Sweet Home along with Hele and Sithe. And last character is Beloved. She is the ghost of Sithe's child. So let's begin the summary. The novel begins in 1873 in Cincinnati, Ohio, where Sithe, a former slave, has been living with her 18-year-old daughter, Denver. They are ostracized from the community for Sithe's past. 18 years have passed since she escaped from slavery at a farm called Sweet Home. Sweet Home was run by a cruel man known as school teacher who allowed his nephews to brutalize Sithe while he took notes for his scientific studies of black. Sithe fled, although she was pregnant, delivering the child along the way with help from a white woman named Emmy Denver. She named her daughter Denver after her. Sithe's husband, who was supposed to accompany her, disappeared. After her escape to Cincinnati with her 4 children, Sithe enjoyed only 28 days of freedom before she was tracked down by her old master. Rather than allow her child to be returned to slavery, she attempted to kill all of them, succeeding only in killing the baby girl. Rejected by her master, who saw she was no longer fit to serve, Sithe was also saved from hanging and was released to raise her remaining 3 children at 124. The ghost of the dead baby began to haunt the house. The 2 sons, Howard and Bulger, left the house, particularly frightening encounters with the ghost. So they were 13 at the time. The grandmother, Baby Sucks, died a broken woman. Baby Sucks has been a great positive force in Cincinnati black community, regarded by many as inspiring holy women. After what happened to Sithe, she gave up preaching and retired to bed, asking only for scrape of colors. Years after her death, Denver and Seethe continue to live in the house alone. Seethe works as a cook and Denver spends her days alone. Denver is terribly lonely but is afraid to leave the yard even though she is 18 years old. In 1873, two visitors come to 124. The first is Paul D., a man who was a slave with Seethe back at Sweet Home. Paul D., like Seethe, is haunted by the pain of the past. He witnessed and suffered unspeakable atrocities before the end of the Civil War brought him his freedom. And he has survived by not allowing himself to have a strong feeling for anything or anyone. He has particularly dark memories of time spent in prison for blacks, where he worked in a chain gang by day and was kept in a box in the ground at night. The second visitor is a girl named Beloved. So they found Beloved. They discovered Beloved soaking wet on the doorstep of the house at house called 124 by Seethe, Paul D, and Denver, and they take her in. So this girl does not know her name and she is not able to speak and she is not able to tell that who she is, and so they call her Beloved. She only call herself Beloved. So awkward, unable to speak like an adult, and dressed in strange clothes, Beloved seems vulnerable at first but proves to be powerful and malicious. Her purpose initially seems benign and are never fully understood, but by the end of the novel, her presence is deeply destructive for the living people of 124. So Paul D becomes Seethe's lover, staying for a time despite friction between him and the two young girls. So the two girls, Denver and Beloved, does not like Paul D. So Beloved despises him and she tries to divide Seethe from Paul D. Paul D eventually leaves when he learns that Seethe murdered her own child. Seethe, on discovering Beloved's identity, she comes to know that Beloved is her daughter's ghost. So believing she is being given a second chance, she tries to make amends for the past, but the girl's knees are quivering. The ghost does not forgive Seethe for her actions. Beloved settles into the house like a parasite, growing even stronger, and Seethe grows weaker. Seethe's sanity began to unravel, and Beloved only grows more demanding. Denver is forced to go to the community for help. A group of women led by Ella, so she came to the 124 to exorcise Beloved ghost. The ghost is forced to leave, but Seethe's spirit has been nearly broken. Paul D returns to her, vowing to help Seethe heal herself. Denver, Paul D, and Seethe will build a new life, one in which they learn to deal with their painful past while focusing on the future. Here the novel ends. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, and thanks for watching.